welcome to Tasty Pineapple. My name is Felix, and today I'm going to show you how to make Thai basil chicken. Yeah, it's a very hot dish, but it's very easy to make. It's so hot, it might smoke me out of the kitchen. So if I sweat, don't worry about it. It's just the heat. Alright, let's get started. Alright, for this recipe, we're going to need a pound of ground chicken. You can buy it already grounded from the store, or you can ground your own using a food processor, which is what we did today. And then we need chicken fat, as much as you can get from the leg meat. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. About 4 chili pepper, chopped up. Now that depends on your preference. If you want it hotter, you can go 4. If you don't want it too hot, 2 to 3. And of course, the star of this dish, the basil, chopped up about half a cup, or 4 of these stems here. Okay. And for the sauce, we're gonna need a little bit of sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 2 teaspoon or a heaping teaspoon of oyster sauce. So this is all you need to make a really good dish. Alright, we got our hot wok going, about medium high. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of oil. Okay. Swirl around. Okay, and we're gonna add our chicken fat. Oh, look at that. You're gonna extract as much oil from the chicken fat as possible. Just let it melt some, but don't want to burn it. Okay, let it cook for a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna take it out. And then let's turn down the heat just a tad. We're gonna add our garlic and our chili pepper. Wow. I can feel the heat already. Woo! Oh yeah. Now the chicken. Oh man. Make sure when you do this, you have your kitchen well ventilated, so either open the door and the kitchen, let the wind pass by so it airs out your house. Because the garlic and the chili is overpowering. So you're just gonna saute it. Brown the chicken until it's about halfway cooked. And then we're gonna add the mixture sauce. That one with the soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and a little sugar. I'm gonna pour it on top. And then with a little bit of water, about a 1/4 cup. Just rinse off the rest of the sauce. Now we're gonna mix it up. And turn up the heat a little bit more. We're just gonna reduce the sauce And then once it's reduced, we're gonna add our basil. So we're gonna leave this alone for a little while. Okay, it is boiling now, so we're gonna cover it a little bit. We're gonna turn the heat down a little by medium low, and let it simmer for a bit, and then we'll open it up to reduce the sauce. Okay, we're gonna uncover it now, and it looks like it's done. Now we're just gonna reduce the heat reduce the sauce by turning up the heat a little bit, about medium high, and let it thicken, and then we're gonna add our basil after. Looks like it's been reducing, so now we're gonna add on our key ingredient, the basil. Now we're just gonna mix it up. You don't want to overcook it, so we're gonna turn off the heat right now. And that's it, guys. Basil chicken. And we'll just let it cool off. We'll be ready to serve. Whew, that was a hot dish to make. Anyway, chow time now. Take a little bit of rice and all right, here we go. Oh, that's a weaker upper. It's very good. A little spicy with 4 chili, but very good. I could eat this all day, all week. Again, this is our Thai basil chicken. So easy to make, anybody can do it. Hope you learned something today. And make sure you subscribe and press that notification bell, and make sure that you get a video. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna eat some more.